Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will learn about how to compare radicals with different bases. So here, cubed root of 3 or fourth root of 4 and we have to find which is larger. So let's start with today's video solution. So first, according to exponent rule, nth root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So this, I can write it as 3 power 1 by 3 and here 4 power 1 by 4. Now I am making the denominator same. So here I am going to multiply with 4 in numerator and denominator and here I am going to multiply with 3 in numerator and denominator. So it becomes 3 power 4 by 12 and it becomes 4 power 3 by 12. Now, according to exponent rule, a power n, we can write it as a power n power n. So I can write this as 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 12 and here 4 power 3 whole power 1 by 12. Now 3 power 4 is 81 power 1 by 12 and here 4 cube is 64 power 1 by 12. Now we have same exponents, so just compare the bases. So here 81 and here 64. So we know that 81 is greater than 64. So cubed root of 3 is greater than, larger than fourth root of 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.